Hi, I am Madhukiran. Today, I am going to talk about two miracle attitudes for happiness. Do you know, every single day, all around the world, around 40,000 people are dying due to hunger. You might be thinking, why I told that sentence? Here comes my first attitude, that is, attitude of gratitude. How it will be related to that? Yes, it is. Let me explain. All of us will be every day we will be fighting or arguing with our parents. I don't have that, I don't have this, I don't have iPhone. See, he has that iPhone and I don't have a car and all. We will be blaming ourselves or we will be fighting with our parents. A long list, we don't have that, this and all. But just think, every day 40,000 people are dying. So we just, at least we are alive. So I am not telling about you. You should not have the dream of buying new iPhone or buying brand new car and all. That is that. But we should be grateful for what we have. We should grateful for our parents because every single day they will work so hard so that we can get a good education, so that we can get a better life in future. So but we don't thank them. A single thank make happy so many lives. If we grateful for what we have in our life, we will be the happiest person in the world. You just try to implement that habit. You will be see you I will be guarantee you, you will be see the miracle in your life. Let me explain my story. Recently, I got one wonderful opportunity, one of like from my mentor, to attend one of the training. What I learned there is, after the training, my mentor asked, "Did you ever thank your parents? He did everything for you. Whatever you asked, he gave you. But did you ever thank them?" I told no. He told me, call right now. I called them and I thanked my parents. They were so happy and they were so proud. Not only that, just try to be kind for everyone. If you are seeing anyone facing a small problem or anything like that, when you are going outside or in your school, maybe your friends, just try to be kind for them, try to help them. You will see the miracle in your life. The second attitude is attitude of forgiving. Everyone will be facing one or the other problems in their life. Example, like some might be facing a big problem, which cannot be shared with even with our parents, or someone will be facing like, if they are in their childhood, maybe their teachers scolded them in front of classes very badly, something like that. Everyone will be having that kind of feeling or problem in their life. But what we'll do, we will be just keeping it in our mind. It will be actually causing lot of problems in our life, but we don't aware about that. It will be like 1,000 kg weight on our head. Just try to take that out from your head. You will be happiest person in the world. So the second attitude is that only, attitude of forgiving. We should we should forgive them. If we forgive them, the one who get benefit is we only, because we only having that weight on our head every single day. But we are, it will be reflected in our every work. So they will be not knowing that, and they will be very happy. Then why you are worrying so much? Just forgive them, just take them from your mind. If you don't feel like doing that, just write in one sheet of paper and just tore that into so many pieces. You will be free. Just follow these two attitudes. You will be see the miracle in your life. You will be free, very light, and you are the, after that you will be the happiest person in the world. I hope you learned something great lesson today. I get this learning from my mentor, that training. I will be so much grateful for him. So type your learnings or your insight in the comment section. Thank you so much. See you soon.